Each spring, Walga offers field days around Perth and in regional areas. The aim of these field days is to share the practical on-ground knowledge needed for the management of our natural areas. Today we're in Bunbury, visiting landforms and ecological communities that contain threatened plants and animals. These important remnant areas of bushland also form part of ecological corridors. They connect our remnant areas of bushland and allow for species movement across the landscape. At each site, we learn about the characteristics of each vegetation community and the keystone species that allow you to identify them. We look at a variety of restoration programs and the challenges and successes.
The City of Bunbury uses ecological assessments to prioritise the management of our natural areas. This prioritisation allows us to focus our management on protecting areas with high conservation values. We aim to improve the condition of our natural areas by undertaking on-ground management such as weed control, revegetation, dieback mapping and treatment, access control and rubbish removal and collection.
The Leisure Catchment Council has been working with the Shire of Harvey to restore the Barnes Ave Bushland Reserve. This has been made possible through funding from the South West Catchments Council and the National Landcare Program. This reserve is along the Brunswick River and we've spent the last 2 years revegetating the site working with the local community. We've collected local seed from the reserve and smoke treated it. We've also planted seedlings and the Shire of Harvey have also fenced off the reserve to keep out illegal access. The Leisure Men's Shed has built nest boxes which are designed for the western ringtail possum. The species is listed as critically endangered under state and Commonwealth legislation.
These small urban reserves contain a lot of different vegetation community types. They show how diverse our landscape was before these areas were cleared for housing. We are constantly adapting how we manage this reserve, thinking about whether or not we should leave it or actually intervene to make positive changes to the biodiversity. Although small reserves, these areas contain a rich biodiversity we have western ringtail possum, we have black cockatoo, and we also have a lot of smaller reptile species such as bobtails and lizards.
I found the field trip today really useful to be able to work with a lot of the other local governments in the area, and we're able to discuss a few different strategies moving forward in regards to working out the best way to conserve the few reserves that we've got left in our local government areas.